the hell are we? We're in the car, stupid. We're actually on the way to Lancaster right now. Yes, Amish country with the RTR in tow. RTR is in the back. Huge shout out to Logan. I'll drop his ad on screen. Gave me a heads up that there's rides there, so I figured, hey, why not go check it out, ride with some new people? So that's what we're doing. We're headed there now. I see some one wheels and a little track course set up. Put this thing in here on my way to work at like 6 a.m. I was not thinking clearly. We didn't put it in the best way. Made that way harder than it had to be. Oh my God, don't tell me I forgot my fucking keys. No fucking way. Well guys, this is a shit show. This is what happens when you don't correctly prepare. Because I threw this thing in the car at 6 a.m. I remembered the battery because I had the battery out, but forgot to put the bar bag on, which had the key in it. Okay, I'm talking to Austin right now. I think we might be able to do this. Welcome to How to Hotwire Your RTR. First, we're taking off the seat. Then we should have access to the ignition right here. We should be able to cut this before the connector here. What's good? Nice to meet you, bro. Logan, right? All right, we'll loop these. You don't happen to have electrical tape, do you? Oh, she's on. We're live. Let's go. All right, we're live in Lancaster, surrounded by one wheel, or these are EUCs technically, right? And we got Logan's RTR. This thing is clean with the 14. Shout out Logan, go follow him. I love the gray plastics though. I'm trying to do the same, I think, eventually. I feel like I'm gonna have a heat stroke out here, but we got a little course. Get cozy on the bike. We're gonna get a little warm on this thing. Sorry. He liked it. Out of the lot? Didn't pass the vibe check. What's good?
I just injured myself. I wish I could do some tricks, but I can't believe Connor popped out.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Thank Logan, dude. Logan told me about it. Does that not hurt your finger like a mother?
Yeah, it does. It went all the way down to my uniform. God damn.
Oh no. That was bad. That was bad.
Oh, my finger! Oh, my finger! My finger! Bro. Bro.
Yeah, you should go. You should definitely go.
Somebody take him. I can't. You got wheels. I don't got wheels.
I got a car. I got you. That changed up quick.
I know you're not from around here, so I'm gonna give you a heads up. It's only about 2.4 miles up the way.
All right, let's get the whole thing happen. Here, get in the front. Get in the front. Oh, be good. You're chilling.
Thank you, bro.
I got you, bro. You'll be good.
Oh, it's just my finger's starting to bleed again, bro. I need to get it restitched.
Yeah, it'll be fine though. You'll be all right.
Shit. Oh, thank you, bro. I really fucking appreciate you, bro. You got that on video?
No, I didn't. I got the aftermath. Well, hey, we might as well document it because it happened. You'll be good. How you
What
feel?
is it, everybody? Yeah, I just ate shit, bro. Holy shit. What the fuck?
You'll be all right. We'll be all right. We're going to the hospital. We'll be
bleeding
okay.
and shit.
Part of the game. You're chilling.
Hopefully my bone doesn't die because of this shit, bro.
Nah, it won't. It won't. Guys, take this as a lesson. Wear your helmet. Strap your helmet because that shit came rolling off. I am, but I gotta move my car, I think. Well guys, something like that is never ideal and it kind of ruins the mood, but I think we're still gonna try, be positive and go get a ride, a quick city ride in, just through Lancaster here. But heal up, David. All right, let's get these boys to ride the city now. Yeah, good meeting all y'all.
Yeah, right,
Dude, that crash was heavy. He slid, bro.
I know, you.
Look at that. Like I was watching him slide across his back. City bip now. Been an unlucky day on the e-bikes for the Lancaster squad. All right, finally cooled off. I miss riding in the city, dude. I don't even know where I'm going. Weed. Nice. The only thing about riding in new groups is like understanding the riding styles of other people. You never really know. It's a nice view. Wheelies up the hill. I freaking love that gray RTR. Oh yeah. I think I might want to do the gray plastics on mine. It looks so damn good. Got an E-Ride Pro. Then a crazy razor up here. Pull it up! This bike is so sick. I love it. Code ConnorG for an RTR. Still at 77% too. That's crazy. Stock battery in it right now too. Woo! Really hope my mic is working. I love riding in new cities, exploring. This is like the perfect size group for it too, honestly. Oh, I can finally use my headlight. Little jump, nice. Wow, these fields are so nice. They're so well kept. I feel bad riding on them. It's cool to ride around here, dude. There's a lot of good spots.
Yeah, it's super peaceful.
On the Vespa. Yo, can you wheelie? No! Woo! Where the hell are we now? This doesn't feel like the city anymore. We'll use our whole road. Oh, I love this bike. God damn, dude. These roads are so good to swerve. Dude, Lancaster's pretty cool. I think there's a lot. I'm glad, honestly, I'm this close. Like, it feels kind of just like riding in the city, except nicer. Can he scrape? Oh! Oh! Oh, you are so close, dude. You are like this close. Oh! If you have like a better lot too, like even those streets we're on, they should be better because this is like kind of grainy. You need a shift lock, that's why. All right, guys, fun little ride with the pack. I think we're gonna head back to the main spot. Fun ass ride. Good group of guys out here. Wheelies with the gang. Back to safety. Apparently the cops don't bother you on this side of the bridge. Oh, this is beautiful here. Full jump. Woo! Alright, we're now at Franklin and Marshall, which is a college here in Central PA, but we're gonna head back to the whip, get going home. But this was a fun freaking ride, guys. So many fun areas to ride here, good group, seems like. So I'll definitely be back. Appreciate it, bro. Good riding with you. Alright, that was fun, boys. Good video. I'll definitely be back hella soon. Let's get this pig in there. Fucking ramp. Alright. Fuck, what a chaotic video.